What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, the new Uncharted movie comes out today, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make an Uncharted chili. This recipe is based on the recipe in the Uncharted The Ultimate New World cookbook, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 small onion, chopped, 1 jalapeno, sliced, 15 ounces of black beans, 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes, 13.5 ounces of vegan chicken, 8.5 ounces of corn, 8 ounces of butternut squash, 6 ounces of tomato paste, 5.2 ounces of dried cranberries, 2 ounces of vegan Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of vegetable broth, 1 cup of spinach, and you'll need half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, as well as half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan Uncharted chili. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video. Share it with a friend. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.